Welcome to my channel, where we dive deep into the world of law. Whether you're a law student, bar reviewee, legal practitioner, or just someone looking to better understand the law, you're in the right place. Remember, ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest legal insights.
Today, we're examining the case of Amelita S. Navarro, Giorgidi B. Aggabao, and the Commission on Elections, or Comelec. This case raises critical questions about Comelec's duty in handling certificates of nomination and acceptance, or CONAs, and about upholding due process in election disputes. The main issue here is whether Comelec can declare a candidate independent based on the submission of multiple CONAs from the same party, without first conducting a hearing to verify the authenticity of these documents. Here's the background. Amelita S. Navarro filed her Certificate of Candidacy, or COC, for mayor of Santiago City under Partido Reforma. Soon after, another candidate, Christopher Asen, also filed a COC for the same position, claiming a CONA from Partido Reforma. Both Navarro and Asen submitted CONAs signed by Senator Panfilo Lacson, the party's chair. Upon learning of Asen's candidacy, Senator Lacson clarified in letters to Comelec that Asen's CONA was invalid and that Navarro was the legitimate nominee. Despite this clarification, Navarro withdrew her COC for mayor and filed for vice mayor. Giorgidi Aggabao then filed as her substitute candidate for mayor. Comelec issued a document declaring Navarro an independent candidate, invoking Section 15 of Resolution No. 10717, which prevents a political party from nominating multiple candidates for the same position. Comelec also rejected Aggabao's substitution, as Navarro was now classified as independent. Navarro and Aggabao argued that Comelec gravely abused its discretion by ignoring Lacson's letters and by failing to hold a hearing to determine the legitimacy of the CONAs. They argued that Partido Reforma did not violate any rule, as Asen's CONA was a forgery. The Supreme Court ruled in their favor, emphasizing key doctrines. Ministerial duty of Comelec. Comelec has a duty to receive COCs and CONAs filed in due form, but this is only a ministerial duty. When conflicting claims arise, Comelec's ministerial role ends, and it must exercise its quasi-judicial powers to resolve the dispute. Due process in election cases. Denying due course to a COC or substitution of a candidate involves Comelec's quasi-judicial powers, which require notice and hearing, particularly when there are questions beyond the document's surface. In failing to hold a hearing, Comelec's actions were found to violate due process rights. Multiple nominations by a political party. Section 15 of Comelec Resolution No. 10717 prevents a political party from nominating more than one candidate for a single position. However, when the legitimacy of a CONA is disputed, this rule must be applied carefully. The Supreme Court stressed that simply having multiple CONAs is not enough to declare a candidate independent, especially when evidence questions the authenticity of one of those CONAs. In this case, the Supreme Court nullified the documents that declared Navarro independent and rejected Aggabao's substitution request. Although Aggabao's petition became moot due to the election's conclusion, this decision highlights the importance of due process in election cases and underscores Comelec's responsibility to ensure fair and transparent proceedings in candidate disputes.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, stay tuned for the upcoming content. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I've got plenty more in store that you won't want to miss. See you in the next one.